Hi guys, so as we have entered into class 9, one thing that directly comes into chemistry, that is ions or radicals, and we need to understand this very well. So we will discuss a very small topic, that is ions and radicals, in our foundation course today. So what are ions or radicals? See, normally there is an atom, there is some number of protons which is positively charged, there are number of electrons which are negatively charged, and for an atom number of protons and number of electrons are same. So atom as a whole is neutral. So this is already known to you. Sometimes atom does lose electron to gain stable configuration. Atom does lose electron to gain stable configuration. After this loss of electron, it forms a positively charged species or a positively charged atom. That positively charged atom is named as ion, and also sometimes it may accept one electron from outside to gain negative charge, that is also called ion. So let us go into what are ions directly and also what are radicals. So basically ions and radicals are same thing. Now there are two kinds of ions or radicals. One is simple, that is you can call them simple ions or simple radicals. Another is compound. So you can call them either compound radicals or compound ions. So what is simple radical or simple ion? Simple ion are those ions which have only one kind of atoms in them. So this is composed of only one kind of atom. So let us take an example. An example would be great, like sodium plus sodium ion. It only consists of atom of a single kind of element. So rather than one kind of atom, we can write down that it is one kind of single element. That also you can write down. But remember, here there is only one atom. So that is why I have written one kind of atom. We should write a single atom. Okay, you can also add this single atom. Okay, why I am saying this? Simple ions are monoatomic radicals. Simple ions are monoatomic radicals. Okay, and compound ions are basically polyatomic radicals. So you can write this polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions. Compound radicals are polyatomic ions. Now what are polyatomic ions? What are they composed of? So polyatomic ions are composed of basically two kinds of atoms or two or more number of atoms. Can you think of an example over here? For two or more number of atoms, can we think of an example over here? Well, we can, like NH4 plus, the ammonium ion. You can see there are 5 number of atoms over here. You can take NO3 minus, the nitrate ion. We have 4 number of atoms over here. Okay, so these are polyatomic ions or rather compound ions. This can also be told as compound radicals, and whereas this can also be told as simple ions or simple radicals. So simple ions or simple radicals will have only one atom in it. Okay, single atom. And compound ions or compound radicals, rather than polyatomic ions and polyatomic radical, will be composed of two or more number of atoms. That's it. Keep it simple. Now why it is number of atoms and not kind of atoms, to be very exact? So you need to understand that. So see, I'll show you N3 minus. This ion is named as nitride ion. This is composed of a single element This is composed of a single atom and this is a simple ion. Okay, this is a simple ion. Another ion is N3 minus. This is called azide. This is composed of only one kind of atom, that is nitrogen. Everybody should agree with that, right? But this is having 3 atoms. This is a compound radical, or you can write compound ion. Okay, so that is it. Simple ion, compound ion. I think absolutely clear. Another thing that you must have learned, that is what are acidic radicals and basic radicals and why they are called so. Okay, so we are going to do that also right now. Let us write down a very known equation. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Base plus acid gives salt plus water. The most basic fundamental of chemical equation, right? Base plus acid gives salt plus water. We use it so many times to solve so many equations. So this is NaCl. Where from this NaCl is coming? So we know very well Na has valency of 1, Cl has valency of 1, so it gets cross multiplied and you get NaCl. So this NaCl is basically composed of sodium plus ion and Cl minus ion. Okay, so this sodium plus ion comes from the base and this Cl minus ion comes from the acid. Okay, and hence this positively charged ions, which generally comes from the base, are called acidic radicals. And this which comes from acid are called, I am very sorry, this is called basic radicals, because this positively charged ion comes from the base, it is called basic radical. This ion comes from the acid and hence called acidic radical. Okay, so that's it about ions and radicals. Hope you guys will be easily comprehending this lesson. Thank you.